Hi viewers, how are you all? Special thanks to all, each and everyone. I felt very happy for your response to my previous video which I was started competitive online classes. Once again thanks to all. In this way I want more encourage and support me through your likes, comments, share and subscribe my channel. Let me start today's session, that is multiple choice questions on gymnosperms reproduction topic. I want encourage you towards crack your competitive exams, so you should be ready for giving answers to my questions before I'll tell the answers. Okay, all the best all of you. Let me start the today's session. Be ready. Multiple choice questions of the gymnosperms reproduction. First question is, Archegonia are absent in which plants? Commonly in reproduction, Archegonias are present in gymnosperms. They are the 1 in numbering or 2 in numbering. Yes, but in following plants, Archegonia are absent. What are the plants? What are the plants? Okay, option A, Neetum. Option B, Selaginella. Option C, Marsilia. Option D, Cycas. Now, answer is option A, Neetum. In Neetum, only in Neetum, Archegonia are absent. Yes, remaining plants Selaginella and Marsilia belongs to the pteridophytes, so they are not ants. Then going to the D, option D is Cycas, but Cycas has arch, so answer is Neem. Okay, then going to the second question, that is winged pollen grains produced in which plants? Winged pollen grains. Pollen grains have wings. Those wings are produced from the middle layer of the pollen grains. Okay, such type of pollen grains are produced in what plant? Option A, Cycas. Option B, Neetum. Option C, Pinus, and option D, Aphid. Okay, answer is option C, Pine. In Pinus, we have to observe the winged pollen grains. Okay, then next question, polyembryony in Pinus. In Pinus, which type of polyembryony is observed, occurs? Already we known about the polyembryony. In gymnosperms, polyembryony is in 3 types: simple polyembryony, cleavage polyembryony, and also embryonal polyembryony. Yes, in these following options, in Pinus, which type of polyembryony is observed? Option A, cleavage polyembryony. Option B, rosette polyembryony. Option C, simple polyembryony. Option D, embryonal polyembryony. Answer is cleavage polyembryony. Option A, cleavage polyembryony. Once again, we will discuss about this topic. In gymnosperms, 3 types of polyembryony is there. Those are the simple polyembryony. Simple polyembryony example is Cycas. Cleavage polyembryony example is Pinus. Embryonal polyembryony example is Neem. So in this question, Pinus polyembryony, which type? Answer is cleavage polyembryony. Option A. Then next question, that is the type of ovule found in gymnosperms. Once going into the flashback and once remember the answer. In gymnosperms, ovule is which type of ovule? Already we known about the which types of the ovule in gymnosperms. This character studied in the reproduction of the gymnosperms under the ovule structure. Yes, 2 types of the ovules, either one or another one. Okay, those are the arthotropous and anatropous ovules. Yes, in this question, which type of ovule found in gymnosperms? Okay, option A, amphitropous. Option B, arthotropous. Option C, anatropous, and option D, both B and C. That means both arthotropous ovule and anatropous ovule. Any one ovule, either arthotropous or anatropous ovule is present in the gymnosperms. So answer is option D, either arthotropous or anatropous ovule. Okay, then next question, already I said in the before question, that is pollen grains. Winged pollen grains are present in the Pinus. Yes, these pollen grains are produced from the which layer? Fifth question is, pollen grains wings are produced from the origin from the which layer? Option A, exine. Option B, exointine. Option C, intine. Option D, integument. That means commonly pollen grain has 3 layers. surround this pollen gland protective layers are arranged in 3 layers. Those are the outer layer, middle layer and inner layer. Outer layer is known as exine, inner layer is known as intine, middle layer is known as exointine. I already said about this topic of wings of pollen glands produced from the which layer. Yes, so these pollen glands wings are produced from the middle layer. Okay, that middle layer is known as exoin. So answer is option B, exoin. Okay, then going to the next question, that is the endosperm. Endosperm in gymnosperms is in which stage? I mean either haploid or diploid or triploid or tet. In gymnosperms, endosperm is commonly occurs in which stage? Option A, haploid, option B, diploid, option C, triploid, option D, tetraploid. Answer is option A, haploid. Haploid in stage of the endosperm absorbed in the gymno. It's very important question. Okay, then 7th question, that is both in gymnosperms there is no flowers. Yes, there is no flowers and there is no fruits in the gymnosperms, but instead of the flowers, flower like structures are absorbed in the gymnosperms. They are cones or strobili. Okay, they are cones or strobili. Yes, this question is flowers and cones. Both flowers and cones are similar. Because both are similar, because what is the reason behind that? Option A, both are used for seed dispersion. Option B, both are responsible for attracting the insects, I mean pollination. Option C, both are reproductive structures. Option D, both are bright and attractive. What is the answer? Option C. Answer is option C, that is the both are reproductive structure. See here, listen here. Commonly in angiosperms, flowers are the reproductive structures. Yes, but in gymnosperms there is no flowers. Instead of the flowers, flower-like structures are present here. Those are the either strobili or cones. Okay, so both the flowers and also cones are similar, because answer is option C, both are reproductive structures. Okay, then next question, that is the gymnospermic plants. These are seed-bearing plants, but naked seed-bearing plants. Due to the lack of ovaries, these are known as naked seed bearing plants. Yes, in this question, all gymnospermic plants are, okay, gymnosperm plants are all option A, heterosporous, option B, dioecious plants, option C, monoecious plants, option D, homosporous plants. What is the answer? Gymnosperms. Under the reproduction, introduction of the reproduction, I explained about this topic. Commonly gymnospermic plants are heteroecious plants. Heterosporous plants. Why? Because two types of the spores are produced in this gymnosperms. Those spores are microspores and megaspores. Microspores are indicate the male gametophyte. Megaspores are indicate the female gamete. I mean male cone and female. Yes, so answer is heterosporous. Answer is heterosporous. Option A, heterosporous. Why? Because all gymnospermic plants are heterosporous. Heterosporous means two types of the micro and megaspores are produced in these plants. So answer is heterosporous. Okay, then going to the next question. This is the arrangement of the reproductive organs in a correct sequence. Question is, select the correct pattern of arrangement of reproductive structures of gymnosperm. Okay, in gymnosperms there is no flowers are formed, but instead of the flowers, cones or strobili are present. Okay, in this question I asked about the certain pattern in following the options. Certain pattern of the certain sequential pattern of the reproductive structures of the gymnosperms in following order. Okay, option A, spores. Option A, spores, sporophylls, sporangia, strobili. Option B, spores, sporangia, sporophylls, strobili. Option C, sporangia, sporophylls, spores, strobili. Option D, spores, sporangia, strobili, sporophylls. There is no confusion. A little bit confusion is here, but there is no confusion. Don't be confusion anyone, because in this question correct the answer in following order of the structures, the reproductive structure. Okay, answer is towards the inner side, towards the inner side to outer side. In this following options, towards the inner side to outer side pods are arranged like towards the inner side. Towards the inner side, which pot is inner side? That is the spores. Okay, spores are producing in the sac-like structures. Those are the sporangia. Okay, these sporangias are present on the leaf-like structures which are bearing the spores. Okay, those are sporophylls. These sporophylls are combined themselves. These sporophylls are fused themselves and formed as a flower like structure, that is the strobili. Okay na? So answer is option B. Option B. Answer is option B. Why? Because in this answer, towards the inner side, towards the inner side spores are, this is the strobili. In this strobili, sporophylls are present, and the sporophylls, sporangia are present. In this sporangia, spores are produced. So answer is spores. Option B, spores. Okay, then next question, study of given statements about gymnosperms and select the correct option. Once read the following statements below and given the select the correct option. Okay, statement number 1, mode of fertilization is siphonogamy. Mode of fertilization is siphonogamy. I mean fertilization takes place by the siphonogam. Okay, statement 2, both male and female cones are born on same tree in Pinus. In Pinus, both cones are born on same tree. Okay, then third statement, endosperm represents a female gametophyte. I mean endosperm is also known as female gametophyte. Already we known about this topic. Okay, so in these three statements, which is the correct option? Option A, statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B, statement 2 and statement 3 are correct. Option C, statement 1 and statement 3 are correct. Option D, statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. In this characters, both option and statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3, these three statements are absolutely correct answers. So answer is option D. Okay, in gymnosperms, fertilization through this both siphonogamy as well as zooidogamy. Okay, that is the correct. Second statement is in Pinus, both the male and female cones are present on same tree. In the third statement, endosperm, another name is female gametophyte. Female gametophyte, another name is endosperm. So these three statements are correct. That's why answer is option D. Statement 1, 2, 3 are okay. So answer is option. Then next question, generative cell. Generative cell, when generative cell is germinates and given the which pods? When generative cell of the antheridium, generative cell germinates and given the which pod? Okay, option A, antheridium. Option B, archegonium. Option C, oogonium. Option D, antherozoids. Okay, what is that? Answer is option D. Option D, antherozoids. When generative cell is germinates and given the antherozoids, nothing but sperms, male gametes. Okay, so answer is antherozoids. Then next question, that is pollination in gymnos. Pollination takes place by which type in gymnos? Okay, option A, anemophily. Option B, entomophily. Option C, hydrophily. And option D, both A and. Okay, in these options, in gymnosperms, commonly pollination takes place by in two ways. Those are the pollination by air and pollination by insect. Which pollination takes place by the air or wind is known as anemophily. Which pollination through the insects known as entomophily. Which pollination takes place by the water, that is known as head. So in this gymnosperms, pollination by both anemophily and entomophily. So answer is option D, both A and B. Okay, then next question, that is the perisperm. It's very important term, perisperm. Perisperm is formed at which place? Okay, perisperm is commonly perisperm is present in the seed. Okay, this perisperm is formed at which place of the seed? Perisperm means new cellulose is completely disorganized or temporarily disorganized, formed as a cap-like structure at the micropylar region. Okay, that is known as perisperm. So here the question is, perisperm is formed at which region? Option A, nucellus. Option B, female gametophyte. Option C, funicle. Option D, micropylar region. Proper answer is micropylar region. Option D, micropylar region. Why? Because this is the proper answer to the perisperm is formed at the which region. So answer is option. Next question. Siphonogamy. Siphonogamy occurs in which plant? Option A, cycas. Option B, pinus. Option C, ginkgo. And option D, none of the above. Siphonogamy occurs in the pinus. Option B, pinus. Siphonogamy occurs in the pinus. Zygogamy occurs in the cycas. Okay, so siphonogamy occurs in the pinus. Then going to the last question, that is where is the location of egg cell? Commonly egg cell is present in the archegonium structure. Okay, where is the location of this egg cell? Option A, at lid region, at lid, I mean cover cells region. Option B, basal part of the archegonia. Option C, venter part of the archegonia. Option D, apical region of the archegonia. Once this is the archegonia structure. Okay, this is the archegonia structure. In this structure, this is the apical region, it is basal region. At this region, lid is present. This basal part, it is basal part. In this is venter, it is neck. Okay, in this venter region, venter canal cell and egg cell is present. In this region, venter canal cell and egg cell is present. So, where is the proper location of the egg cell? Mean option C, venter part of the archegonium. In this archegonium, this is the venter part. So, answer is option C, venter part of the archegonium. This is the another part of the gymnosperms, that is the questions, bits on the reproduction part of the gymnosperms. I hope you all, it's very is it interesting, all of you. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for the listening this video. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay home, be careful. Thank you all.